Welcome to our exploration of the determinant of a matrix. In mathematics, determinants play a crucial role in understanding the properties of square matrices. Whether you're solving equations or analyzing geometric transformations, the determinant is a fundamental concept that reveals much about the matrix itself. Today, we'll break down what a determinant is, how it's calculated, and why it matters. Let's start by setting the stage for this mathematical journey, focusing on the basics and building up to more advanced applications. Get ready to see how a single number can unlock the secrets of matrices. Determinant is a scalar value associated with a square matrix. This value is not just a random number, it carries significant meaning. The determinant helps us understand whether a matrix is invertible, which is essential in many mathematical operations. Think of the determinant as a summary of a matrix's characteristics. If you have a square matrix, calculating its determinant gives you a quick way to check its properties. Throughout this video, we'll see how this value is computed and why it's so important in both algebra and geometry. Before diving deeper, let's clarify what a square matrix is. A square matrix is simply a matrix with the same number of rows and columns. For example, a 2 times 2 or 3 times 3 matrix. Determinants are only defined for these types of matrices. This restriction is important because the properties and calculations we'll discuss only apply to square matrices. Understanding this foundation will help you grasp why determinants are so closely tied to invertibility and other matrix operations. In working with determinants, you'll often see them written as det, a or a, where a is the matrix in question. This notation is universal in mathematics and helps distinguish the determinant from other matrix operations. Whether you're reading a textbook or solving problems, recognizing this notation is key. It's a simple way to refer to the determinant without confusion, making calculations and discussions much clearer. Let's look at the determinant of a 2 times 2 matrix. Suppose you have a matrix A with elements A, B, C, and D arranged in 2 rows and 2 columns. The determinant is calculated as add BC. This simple formula gives you a quick way to find the determinant for any 2 times 2 matrix. It's the starting point for understanding more complex matrices and their determinants. We'll see how this formula extends to larger matrices later. Identity matrix is a special square matrix with ones on the diagonal and zeros elsewhere. For a 2 times 2 identity matrix, the determinant is always 1. This property is fundamental because the identity matrix acts as the neutral element in matrix multiplication. Knowing its determinant helps in understanding matrix inverses and other operations. It's a simple yet powerful concept that appears frequently in linear algebra. Determinants have several important properties. For example, if 2 rows or columns in a matrix are equal, the determinant is 0. If 1 row or column is all zeros, the determinant is also 0. Swapping 2 rows changes the sign of the determinant, and multiplying a row by a constant multiplies the determinant by that constant. These properties make determinants useful for checking matrix characteristics and manipulating matrices in algebraic operations. Another key property is that multiplying a row by a constant multiplies the determinant by that constant. This is useful when scaling matrices or performing row operations. It helps in understanding how determinants change under different matrix manipulations. This property is especially important in solving systems of equations and finding matrix inverses. The determinant tells us whether a matrix is invertible. If the determinant is 0, the matrix cannot be inverted. It's called singular. If the determinant is non-zero, the matrix is non-singular and its inverse exists. This distinction is crucial in linear algebra as it determines whether certain operations are possible. Understanding this helps you know when you can solve equations or find matrix inverses. Let's clarify the terms singular and non-singular. A singular matrix has a determinant of 0, meaning it doesn't have an inverse. A non-singular matrix has a non-zero determinant, so its inverse exists. This simple test using the determinant is a powerful tool for checking matrix properties. It's widely used in algebra and geometry to determine the feasibility of various operations. Determinants are used to solve systems of equations, especially through methods like Cramer's rule. This rule uses determinants to find solutions to linear systems, making the process efficient and systematic. If the determinant is 0, the system has no unique solution. If it's non-zero, you can find a unique solution. This application highlights the practical importance of determinants in mathematics. Determinants also help determine linear independence. If the determinant of a matrix formed by vectors is 0, those vectors are linearly dependent. If the determinant is non-zero, the vectors are independent. This concept is vital in understanding vector spaces and their properties. It's another example of how determinants provide insight into the structure of mathematical objects. In geometry, determinants are used to calculate area and volume scaling. When you transform shapes using matrices, the determinant tells you how the area or volume changes. For example, a determinant of 2 means the area doubles. This geometric interpretation makes determinants useful in fields like computer graphics and physics, where transformations are common. There are various methods for calculating determinants, depending on the size of the matrix. For 2 times 2 matrices, the formula is simple. For larger matrices, you use techniques like expansion by minors or row reduction. Understanding these methods helps you tackle more complex problems and apply determinants in different contexts. Expansion by minors is a common method for finding determinants of larger matrices. It involves breaking down the matrix into smaller parts and calculating their determinants. This recursive process makes it possible to handle matrices of any size, though it can be time-consuming for very large matrices. It's a fundamental technique in linear algebra. Row reduction is another method for calculating determinants, especially for larger matrices. By simplifying the matrix using row operations, you can make the calculation easier. This approach is efficient and often used in practical applications, such as solving systems of equations or finding matrix inverses. The determinant is directly linked to finding the inverse of a matrix. If the determinant is 0, the matrix has no inverse. If it's non-zero, you can use the determinant in the formula for the inverse. This relationship is central to many mathematical procedures and highlights the importance of determinants in matrix theory. Determinants aren't just theoretical, they're used in real-world applications. From engineering to computer science, determinants help solve practical problems involving systems of equations, transformations, and more. Their ability to summarize matrix properties makes them invaluable in many fields. Recap: determinants are used for finding matrix inverses, solving systems of equations, checking linear independence, and scaling areas or volumes in geometry. Their versatility makes them a cornerstone of linear algebra and related fields. Understanding determinants opens the door to many mathematical and practical applications. It's easy to make mistakes when calculating determinants, especially with larger matrices. Common errors include forgetting to change the sign when swapping rows or missing zeros in rows or columns. Being aware of these pitfalls helps you avoid errors and ensures accurate results in your calculations. Conclusion: the determinant is a powerful tool in linear algebra. It helps determine whether a matrix can be inverted and provides insight into many algebraic and geometric problems. By mastering determinants, you gain a deeper understanding of matrices and their applications. Whether you're solving equations or analyzing transformations, the determinant is your key to unlocking the secrets of matrix theory.